Now question number 4 from practice set 9.2. What will be the cost of making a closed cone of tin sheet having radius of base 6 meter and slant height 8 meter if the rate of making is rupees 10 per square meter? Read question carefully. What will be the cost of making a closed cone of tin sheet having radius of base 6 meter and slant height 8 meter if the rate of making is rupees 10 per square meter? Means you have to find out total surface area of a cone. So total surface area of a cone equal to pi r into r plus l. So equal to, the value of pi is not given, you can substitute 22 upon 7 into, but radius of base is given 6. So here 6 into, then in bracket r plus l means 6 plus l is slant height and slant height is given 8. So equal to 22 upon 7 into 6 into 6 plus 8. First solve this bracket. So equal to 22 upon 7 into 6 into 14. So equal to 264 square meter. So total surface area of a cone is 264 square meter. And cost equal to area into rate, and rate of making is given rupees 10 per square meter. Area is 264 square meter and rate is given, rate of making is rupees 10 per square meter. So cost equal to area into rate equal to 264 into 10 equal to rupees 2640. So cost of making closed cone is rupees 2640. Cost of making closed cone is rupees 2640. Now question number 5. Volume of a cone is 6280 cubic centimeter and base radius of the cone is 30 centimeter. Find its perpendicular height and the value of pi is given 3.14. Volume of a cone is 6280 cubic centimeter and base radius of the cone is 30 centimeter. So find its perpendicular height. So here use first formula of volume of a cone. So volume of a cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume of a cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. But volume of a cone is given 6280. So substitute here equal to 1 upon 3 into, the value of pi is also given 3.14. So substitute here 3.14 into base radius is given 30. So r square means 30 into 30 into h. So 6280 equal to 1 upon 3 into 3.14, we can write as 314 upon 100 into 30 into h. So 6280 into 3 into 100 upon 314 into 30 into 30 equal to h. Now again simple transposition. 6280 into 3 into 100 upon 314 into 30 into 30. Therefore, h equal to 20 upon 3. H equal to 20 upon 3. Therefore, h equal to 6.67 centimeter. H equal to 6.67 centimeter. Therefore, perpendicular height of a cone is 6.67 centimeter. Perpendicular height of a cone is 6.67 centimeter. Now question number 6. Surface area of a cone is 188.4 square centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its perpendicular height. Surface area of a cone is 188.4 square centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. So find its perpendicular height. The value of pi is given 3.14. So first use formula of surface area of a cone. So surface area of a cone equal to pi r l, means pi into r into l, and surface area of a cone is given 188.4 equal to, and the value of pi is given 3.14. So 3.14 into r into, and slant height is given 10. So 188.4 we can write as 1884 upon 10 equal to 3.14 we can write as 314 upon 100 into R into 10. Now again simple transposition, 1884 into 100 upon 314 into 10 into 10 equal to R. Therefore R equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore R equal to 6 centimeter. Now you have to find out perpendicular height, that is h. We know L square equal to R square plus h square. Slant height is given 10. So L square equal to 10 square equal to radius of base is 6. Radius of base is 6. So R square means 6 square plus h square. So h square equal to 10 square means 100. 6 square means 36. So h square equal to 100 minus 36. So h square equal to 64. Therefore h equal to 8 centimeter. Square root of 64 is 8. So h equal to 8. Therefore height of the cone is 8 centimeter. Height of the cone is 8 centimeter. Now question number 10. In a field, dry fodder for the cattle is heaped in a conical shape. The height of the cone is 2.1 meter and diameter of base is 7.2 meter. Find the volume of the fodder. If it is to be covered by polythene in rainy season, then how much minimum polythene sheet is needed? In a field, dry fodder for the cattle is heaped in a conical shape. The height of the cone is 2.1 meter and diameter of base is 7.2 meter. So find the volume of the fodder. If it is to be covered by polythene in rainy season, then how much minimum polythene sheet is needed? And in this question, the value of pi is given, that is 22 upon 7, and square root of 17.37 is given 4.17. Solution. Diameter of conical shape equal to 7.2 meter. Diameter of conical shape equal to 7.2 meter. It is given. Diameter of base is 7.2 meter. It is given. So diameter of conical shape equal to 7.2 meter. Therefore, radius of conical shape equal to 7.2 divided by 2 equal to 3.6 meter. Radius of conical shape equal to 3.6 meter. Perpendicular height is given 2.1 meter. The height of the cone is 2.1 meter. It is given. So perpendicular height, that is h, equal to 2.1 meter. Now you have to find out volume of fodder. So volume of fodder in conical shape equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Use here volume of cone. So volume of fodder in conical shape equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now substitute values. So 1 upon 3 into pi is 22 upon 7. R is 3.6. So R square means 3.6 into 3.6 and height is 2.1. So here into 2.1. So 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7, 3.6 we can write as 36 upon 10. 3.6, 36 upon 10 into 2.1 we can write as 21 upon 10. So equal to 28,512 upon 1000. 28,512 upon 1000. So equal to 28.512 cubic centimeter. 28.512 cubic meter. So volume of fodder in conical shape equal to 28.512 cubic meter. Now L square equal to R square plus H square. We know L square equal to R square plus H square. R is 3.6. So R square means 3.6 square plus H is 2.1. So plus 2.1 square. So 3.6 square means 12.96 plus 2.1 square is 4.41. Therefore L square equal to 17.37. So taking square root, therefore L equal to 4.17 meter. Square root of 17.37 equal to 4.17. It is given. Therefore, L equal to 4.17 meter. Now, area of polythene required equal to pi r L. Area of polythene required is equal to pi RL. What is pi RL? Pi RL is curved surface area of a cone. Pi RL is curved surface area of a cone. So area of polythene required is equal to curved surface area of a cone. Therefore, area of polythene required equal to pi RL. The value of pi is given 22 upon 7. So 22 upon 7 into radius of base is 3.6 into 3.6 into L is 4.17. L is 4.17. So equal to 47.18, equal to 47.18 meters square. So area of polythene needed is 47.18 meter square. Area of polythene needed is 47.18 meter square or square meter. Children, question number 7, 8 and 9. These three questions are for self-study.